This video will show you how to customize the mail messages that come default with Extranet Collaboration Manager. First, let's look at one of the default messages that come with EXCM. We're going to look at the invitation email. And this is an invitation that was sent to joe@acme.com, and it simply says, "You have been invited to register for access to the Extranet site. To complete the registration, simply click the link below." For some of our users, this email may be sufficient, but if you'd like to change it, this video will show you how to do so. So let's go ahead and close this invitation, and let's start with step 1. Step 1 is simply create a mail definitions list. So what we do is we log into the site as a site collection administrator and click on the settings or the gear icon in the upper right hand corner. We're going to click on add an app. And then we're simply going to scroll down to Mail Definitions and click on Mail Definitions. Next, let's go ahead and name our definition, and then we'll click on Create. You should see now a new icon, this EXCM 2013 Mail Definitions list. For our step 2, which is create a mail definition, we're going to need to open up the EXCM 2013 mail definitions. So we'll click on it, and you'll notice that it's blank. What we're going to do is just go up here and click on items in the ribbon tab here, and we're just going to click on new item. The syntax that we need for the mail body can actually be found on our help site. So since this is an invitation, let's go ahead and copy our mail body, and we'll just add it to the mail body here. We want to do the same thing for the mail subject, so let's go ahead and copy that. And we'll add that there. One other thing that we'll need to do is go ahead and give it a title. Now, if we didn't want to do anything else other than just to create this, we could just click on Save. Our next step would be to configure a mail message to use the custom mail definition. So let's logged in here as site administrator. We'll click on Site Settings, and we'll scroll down, and we're going to click on Mail Settings. And this was the invitation, so let's go ahead and click on the invitation link. And now, in order to use that custom template that we just created, we're going to choose Use Custom Template. From the drop-down list, we will find that EXCM 2013 mail definitions that we named. And then once we've done that, we can drop down and see the custom invitation that we created. We'll simply click on Save. And we've now configured the invitation message to use the custom mail syntax that we have created. So now that we've made the change, how do we edit the template once we're done? We'll simply go back up to the gear icon, click on the site contents, then we'll click on that EXCM 2013 mail definitions, check the one we want to edit, to items, and we'll check on edit item. For this example, let's say that we want to remove that first hyperlink that was in the invitation email. We scroll down until we find it, and it says you have been invited to register for access to the, and there was a hyperlink here. So we'll just go through here and we'll just take out that hyperlink code. So now it should say you have been invited to register for access to the title of the website site. So if we click Save. Now that we've made a change, let's go out and just test and make sure that it works. So we'll go down here and we'll invite user, and let's just invite Pam at Acme. So I'll click on Save and come down here and take a look. Now you'll see Pam and the Extranet site versus actually having a hyperlink there. So now you see how you can make easy changes to the HTML in order to change the default email messages that come with EXCM. And thank you very much for watching.